Observations. When a light of intensity L0 goes through a liquid of concentration C and layer thickness B, the emergent light L has less intensity than the incident light L0 scattering reflection absorption by liquid. There are different levels of reduction in light intensity at different wavelength detected by eye, color change detected by instrument. The method used to measure ultraviolet and visible light absorption is called spectrophotometry. Referred to the measurement of absorption of light in visible region. Colorimetry. Ultraviolet and visible spectrometry. Theory of light absorption. Quantitative observation. The thicker the covert, more diminishing of light in intensity. Higher concentration the liquid, the less the emergent light intensity. These observations are summarized by Bayer's law. Successive increments in the number of identical absorbing molecules in the path of a beam of monochromatic radiation absorb equal fraction of radiation power travel through them. Ultraviolet and visible spectrometry. Term, units and symbol for use with Bayer's law. Name, path length, alternative name, symbol, definition, unit. Liquid concentration, transmittance, transmission, percent transmittance, absorbance, optical density, extinction, absorptivity, extension, absorbance index, molecular absorptivity, molar extension, molar absorbance index. Ultraviolet and visible spectrometry. Use of Beer's law. Beer's law can be applied to the absorption of ultraviolet, visible, infrared and microwave. The limitation of Beer's law. Effect of solvent. Solvent may absorb light to various extent. The following solvent absorbs more than 50% of ultraviolet light going through them. 150 to 190 nanometer sulfuric acid 90%, water acetonitrile 200 to 210 nanometer cyclopentane, N-hexane, glycerol, methanol, ethanol. 210 to 220 nanometer N-butyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, cyclohexane, ethyl ether. 245 to 260 nanometer chloroform ethyl acetate methyl formate. 265 to 275 nanometer carbon tetrachloride dimethyl sulfoxide formamide acetic acid. 282 to 90 benzene toluene M-xylene. 300 to 400 pyridine acetone carbon disulfide. Effect of temperature. Varying temperature may cause change of concentration of a solute because of thermal expansion of a solution, changing of equilibrium composition if solution is in equilibrium. What occurs to a molecule when absorbing ultraviolet visible photon? A ultraviolet visible photon 200 to 700 nanometer promotes a bonding or non-bonding electron into anti-bonding orbital, that so-called electronic transition. Bonding electron appear in gamma and pi molecular orbitals, non-bonding in n. Anti-bonding orbital corresponds to the bonding 1. Electron transition can occur between various states in journal. The energy of electrons transition increases in the following order. Molecule which can be analyzed by ultraviolet visible absorption. Chromophores, functional groups, each of which absorbs a characteristic ultraviolet or visible radiation. Ultraviolet and visible spectrometry, the functional groups and the wavelength of visible ultraviolet absorption. Group carbon-carbon double bond, 1-butoctane, lambda maximum is 180 nanometer. Group arene, benzene, H maximum 250. Carbonyl group, methanol, propanone, ethanoic acid, ethyl ethanamide, CX, ethanol, trimethylamine, chloromethane, bromomethane, isomethane. Ultraviolet and visible spectrometry instrumentation, lamp, lens, monochromator, sample cavite, detector, amplifier, readout. Light source, hydrogen discharge lamp, tungsten hydrogen lamp, cavite, quartz, glass, detector, photomultiplier, ultraviolet and visible spectrometry applications. Analysis of unknowns using Peirce law, calibration curve, absorbance versus time graph for kinetics, single point calibration for an equilibrium constant determination, spectrophotometric titrations, a way to follow a reaction if at least one substance is colored, sudden or sharp change in absorbance at equivalence point. Infrared spectroscopy. Atoms in a molecule are constant in motion. There are two main vibrational modes: stretching symmetrically and asymmetrically, change in bond length, high frequency bending. Stretch, rocking, twisting, change in bond length, low frequency. Rotation and vibration of bond occur in specific frequencies. Each type of bond has a natural frequency of vibration depending on the mass of bonded atoms. Lighter atoms vibrate at higher frequency. The stiffness of bonds, stiffer bonds vibrate at higher frequency. The force constant of bond, electronegativity. The geometry of atoms in the molecule. The same bond in different compound has a slightly different vibrational spectroscopy, IR region. The part of the electromagnetic radiation between the visible and microwave region, 0.8 micrometer to 50 micrometer. Most interested region in infrared spectroscopy is between 2.5 micrometer to 25 micrometer, which corresponds to vibrational frequency of molecules. Interaction of IR with molecules. Only molecules containing covalent bond with dipole moment are infrared sensitive. Only the infrared radiation with the frequencies matching the natural vibrational frequencies of a bond, the energy states of a molecule are quantized, is absorbed. The absorption of infrared radiation by a molecule raises the energy state of the molecule, increasing the amplitude of the molecule rotation and vibration of the covalent bond. Rotation less than 100 per centimeter, not included in normal infrared spectroscopy. Vibrational 10,000 per centimeter to 100 per centimeter. The energy changes through infrared radiation absorption is in energy of 8 to 40 kilojoule per mole. Use of infrared spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy can be used to distinguish one compound from other. इंफ्रारेड स्पेक्ट्रोस्कोपी को हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं एक कंपाउंड से दूसरे कंपाउंड के दरमियान फ़र्क करने के लिए. No two molecule of different structure will have exactly the same natural frequency of vibration. दो मॉलिक्यूल जिनका मुख्तलिफ स्ट्रक्चर होता है उनकी फ्रीक्वेंसी या वाइब्रेशन इक्वल नहीं हो सकती. Each will have a unique infrared absorption spectrum. हर एक का अपना एक खास absorption spectrum होगा. A fingerprinting type of IR spectral library can be established to distinguish a compound or to detect the presence of certain functional group in a molecule. Obtaining structural information about a molecule. एक molecule के structural information हासिल करने के लिए भी infrared spectroscopy को use करते हैं. Absorption of infrared energy by organic compound will occur in a manner characteristics of the types of bonds and atoms in the functional groups present in the compound. Practically, examining Each region wave number of the infrared spectrum allows structure when combined with molecular formula information. The non-structure information is summarized in the correlation chart. Infrared spectrum, principal correlation chart.